Hi food lovers, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, I'll be teaching you how to make this lovely refreshing drink. It's called Chapman. This Chapman cocktail is very popular in Nigeria, especially in my childhood. So I love it so much, and it's very easy, detailed recipe, so hang on for it. You will need a cucumber, just this size is perfect for about 3 servings. You will need a medium-sized lime and 1 lemon. I'll just slice up my lemon in thin circular shape and set that aside. And then I'll quickly move over to my lime, do the same for my lime, and also set that aside when I'm done. Guys, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, this is the time to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any video. Now I'm done slicing my cucumber. I'm going to start assembling them in a jug. So I'll just toss in that cucumber, the lime, the lemon, all of it in this jug, and this is where it gets interesting. I'm going to add about 3 cups of Sprite. Yes, Sprite, we all know Sprite. Add it in there and look at that bubbly freshness. And then I'll go in with similar quantity of Fanta. This is the color of Fanta we get in the UK. If you're in another country, you will get a different color. I'll add this grenadine syrup to it, and that's what gives it that characteristic red color that makes it so inviting to have a glass. I'll just stir it quickly to combine, and when I'm done, I'm going to add one more ingredient, which is a tablespoon of bitters. I'm going to put the link of that in my description box. I didn't quite show it on camera, so the link will be in the description. You add it there and it just enhances the taste. What you need is just 1 tablespoon of that, and I'm going to stir it more vigorously to just combine it. I'll cover this up, set it aside in the fridge for about an hour for it to infuse. Now it's time to serve your Chapman drink. Some ice is needed because we want it super cold, and then we just pour in our drink. Look at that color, look at the freshness of that drink. I hope you try this recipe. It is easy to follow, you will love it, and I make amazing recipes that are easy to follow every week. So please subscribe to my channel, like this video, drop a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.